called BT, and once you pair, you can use either Android or CarPlay. (2013) Hyundai Elantra. We are doing an Android radio customer purchase. I already have it out. The first thing you're gonna do is pry off these side panels. As I said, we already have it out. So you're gonna remove both sides, these silver trims. No special tricks, you just pry that off. Once you have that out, then we're gonna remove the trim around the radio. There are 4 screws. How many screws? 4 screws?
6.
6 screws.
3,
So
6.
total of 6 screws here, 3 on each side. Then this trim comes out.
Don't want to unplug this.
Because it's got the airbag indication on it. Unless you have a tool to reset, you can just leave it on the side like this and remove
4
1, 2, 3, 4 screws holding onto the radio. The radio comes out like this. Disconnect all the harnesses from back of the radio, and all the factory plug should match with an aftermarket radio harness. So you don't need to have any special trick to plug it in. It'll just plug straight into the factory harness like that. Fairly simple installation. Be sure to lock in. It has to have a little clicking sound, let you know that it's locked in. And all this is actually a CAN module, I believe. So if you don't have a CAN built into it, that's where the actual CAN module goes into. This radio may have a CAN built in.
Yes. I think it might be easier to plug them in first.
So we're just gonna do the other way. So we're gonna unplug this harness and plug in the factory, not factory, aftermarket radio power harness first. It'll be easier doing it that way. So that is the main harness, which has the power and the speaker wires for it. You should put it in, and this is not the CAN. That's going to one of these. A lot of different apps. So CPU link is usually the middle link or CarPlay. Let's see. So in order to do internet or YouTube, you gotta have a hotspot connected here. Let's see if there's a video. Seems to be working. It works. Everything seems to be working except this doesn't work. So let me see if I can set this. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. So go to factory settings. Usually the code is 8888 on most Android radios. Let's see. Yep. And let's see. Alright, so it says a CAN setting, not that. It said CAN setting, it said no CAN, meaning there is no CAN module. So let's see. Alright, what I discover is one of the pin is bent out of shape. That middle one right there. So I'm going to make it straighter. Put this clock back up. Sunday's weather.
Expect some clear skies on Sunday. Daytime temperatures will hover around 34 degrees.
Just going to put all the trims back in. The first thing you're going to do is pair your Bluetooth, the CP link, which comes as called BT. And once you pair, you can use either Android or CarPlay.